In certain situations, knowing a user's geographic region and routing them based on that is very important. Certain examples of that would be when the user needs local content in their local language. Or probably we as an admin want to improvise on the user experience. Or maybe you want to measure the traffic from different regions. Or you want to comply with data sovereignty mandates. In any one of these situations, you may want to route a particular traffic to a particular geographic region. When a traffic manager profile is configured for geographic routing, each endpoint associated with that profile will have a set of geographic locations assigned to it. Any request that is being originated from that region will get routed to that endpoint only. If you look at the picture here, we got multiple endpoints. There are endpoints in Germany, some of them are in Mexico, Asia, and some of them may be in the whole world. Some kind of planning is required when you create a geographical endpoint. A location cannot be in more than one endpoint. Your routing can be done based on entire world or a particular continent like Europe, Middle East, or Asia, or the routing can also be done based on a country. For example, you may want the traffic originated from Middle East to go to, let's say, endpoint 2 in this case. Traffic originated from Europe must go to Germany. Traffic originated from Asia, in this case, has a nested profile where we are saying that it can go to either priority 1 or priority 2. If you look at this particular diagram here, we have nested the profiles with geographic routing and a priority routing. And this means that any traffic originated for Germany or the entire world, except that it's going to go to the nested profile, which will then end up in either endpoint A or endpoint B. This is an example of nested profile as well. So with geographic routing, we are routing the traffic to a particular region, ensuring that the clients get not only lowest latency, but they get the local content, they get the better user experience as well.